Popcorn is a snack enjoyed by millions around the world, but have you ever wondered how it transforms from a hard kernel into a fluffy treat? Let's unravel this fascinating process. It all begins with the unique structure of a popcorn kernel. Unlike other grains, each kernel of popcorn contains a small amount of water stored within its starchy endosperm. This is critical because the popcorn's ability to pop relies on moisture. Surrounding this moisture is a hard outer shell known as the hull. When you heat a popcorn kernel, the water inside begins to heat up and turn into steam. As the temperature rises, the pressure inside the kernel builds up, creating a mini pressure cooker effect. Typically, this pressure needs to reach about 135 psi, or the temperature inside the kernel should hit approximately 180 degrees Celsius for the magic to happen. Once the pressure becomes too much for the hull to contain, the kernel explodes. This explosion is the pop we all know and love. When the kernel bursts open, the softened starch inside inflates and spills out, cooling immediately and forming the peculiar shapes we recognize as popped popcorn. The speed of this transformation is almost instantaneous, happening in a fraction of a second, which is why it seems like the kernel is literally jumping. Notably, the quality of the pop depends on the moisture level of the kernel. Most commercial popcorn is designed to have the optimal moisture content for popping, around 14%. If kernels are too dry, they won't pop well. If too moist, they turn out chewy. Also, different varieties of popcorn can affect the taste and texture, with some popping into larger, fluffier pieces, while others are smaller and denser. Next time you enjoy a bowl of popcorn, remember the tiny but powerful science at work. This little snack is not just about flavor. It's a delightful example of how nature and chemistry come together to create something special. Whether you prefer it plain, buttered, or caramelized, each bite is a testament to this explosive process. So the next time you hear that familiar pop, you'll know exactly what's going on inside those kernels.